Hey everyone, welcome to YG Academy. In today's video, we're gonna deal about Class 8th Science Chapter Coal and Petroleum MCQs. So, before moving this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this MCQs are very important, so see till the end. Now let us begin with the question 1. That is, the most commonly used liquid fuel in our homes is the most common, right? Kerosene. First is kerosene, second petrol, third diesel, and fourth fuel oil. First of all, the most we use petrol and diesel in the vehicles, right? And fuel oil we do not use much because it causes some residues or it causes pollution, right? So the only option which we get is here is kerosene. So answer is kerosene, A option. All right. Question 2. The main elements present in petroleum are, what are the main elements that are present in this petroleum? Okay, first is carbon oxygen, B is carbon nitrogen, C is carbon hydrogen, and D option is hydrogen and oxygen. So carbon oxygen does not contain in it. Okay, A option is wrong. B option, carbon nitrogen. No, carbon nitrogen is also not present in the petroleum. Actually, correct answer is C option, that is carbon and hydrogen is present in the petroleum. This is just you have to remember it. Okay, carbon and hydrogen. Next, the main gas present in LPG. The main gas which is present in the LPG. A option, methane. B, propane. C, butane, and D, hexane. So the answer is butane. You just have to remember this. No need to go to the logically that what is happening, what is there. You just have to remember this, that the gas which is present in LPG is, LPG full form is liquefied petroleum gas, and the gas which is present in it is butane. Okay. Next, CNG is combined natural gas, compressed natural gas, compressed nitrogen gas, or the clean natural gas. It is actually compressed natural gas, B option. All right. Next, in the place in India where natural gas is directly supplied through pipes or burning in homes and factories. So the option is Vadodara. It is in Gujarat. Okay, you all must be very familiar to it. You all must be knowing about it first of all. All right, you all should know that that place in India where gas is actually natural gas is directly supplied through pipes. So it is Vadodara, which is in Gujarat. Next, very easy one this is, which is also known as black gold. Black gold is also known as petroleum. All right, coal is known as the buried sunshine. Coal is known as the buried sunshine, and the petroleum is known as the black gold. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used for fueling rockets, for production of fertilizers, as fuel to be used at home, or the none of these. So the answer is for use as fertilizers. Next one, petrochemicals are obtained from petroleum, natural gas, petroleum and natural gas, or none of these. So the correct answer is petroleum and natural gas. Petrochemicals are made from petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas. Okay. Next one, which of the following can be prepared in laboratory from dead organisms? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, or none of these? It's actually none of these, because all these three things like coal, petroleum, natural gas are made from the dead vegetation which are buried under the earth for millions of years ago. Okay, so it cannot be prepared in laboratory. They need natural conditions to grow. Alright, so this actually statement is truly wrong, that the fossil fuels are made from the laboratory. They are not made from laboratory. They are formed from the natural conditions, like, right, because they have to be buried under the earth. They have to be in the high pressure, high temperature. So they can only be in the presence of the natural condition, and it takes millions of years to form. That is why it is formed in the natural condition, and that is why they are limited in nature as well. Okay, chaliye. So the correct option is none of these. Okay, yeah. The estimated reserves of natural gas in India are 1 billion cubic meter, 10 billion cubic meters, over 100 billion cubic meters, or 1 million cubic meters. So it's the correct answer is over 100 billion cubic meters. All right. So Which of the following is not true about fossil fuels? Okay, it takes millions of years to form fossil fuels. The known reserves of fossil fuels will last for a long period of time. Burning of fossil fuels causes air pollution, or the burning of fossil fuels causes global warming. So the statement which is absolutely true is actually B1, because they are made in the natural conditions and they are actually limited in nature, and they will actually last for just a short period of 40-50 years more. It will not last for long years, right? Like 100 200, it will not last. If you use carelessly, then it will not be last for a long period. It will last only for a short period of 40-50 years. After that they will eradicate it. Okay, next. Right. Natural gas is called clean fuel because why they are called clean fuel? Because it burns without producing any smoke, or it burns completely. And C option, it does not leave behind any residues, or D, all of these. Of course, it is all of the above. Okay, because it is actually, it does not produce any smoke. It produces, but it produces a very small particles. It actually produces very small particles of harmful gases. It does not produce much like petroleum, diesel. Okay, and it burns very completely. Okay, it is a complete combustion. Third part is, it does not have any, it does not actually produce any smoke, it doesn't produce any ashes or nothing about that. So that is why the answer is all of these. All right, now beginning with the next part. CNG is obtained from what? CNG is obtained, so CNG is obtained when natural gas is subjected to low pressure. Natural gas is subjected to high pressure. Yes, high pressure. Now why high pressure? Because CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Here compressed means actually kept in a very high pressure, high temperature. That is why this is formed. Okay, so the correct answer is B. I hope you got it. Next, the percentage of methane in natural gas is 100%, 90%, 95%. It's 95%. Just remember it, it's 95%. Okay, right. So the which of the following is a non-polluting fuel for transport of vehicles? Petrol, diesel, CNG, और none of these. It is actually non-fuel. आपको पता है कि पेट्रोल और डीजल क्या होता है? सबसे वो बहुत ही हार्मफुल गैसेस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, लाइक नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गैसेस लाइक दैट. ओके, but CNG produces, but it's produced in a very small particles, while the other actually produce in a huge amount. Okay, and answer is C option. Which of the following is a fossil fuel? Okay, coal, petroleum, natural gas, all of these. Of course, all of these, because they all are fossil fuels. They are from dead vegetation, right? Dead plants and animals. So all of these. The natural solid fuel is coal, CNG, LPG, coke. That is absolutely the coal. Okay, it is actually natural solid fuel. While the other CNG, LPG, CNG, LPG are gases and liquid both, and the coke is also, I can say CNG, and while the coke is not natural. Okay, it is just a petrochemical. Okay, it is formed from the coal. Next, the non-polluting fuel renewable resources of energy is. So the answer is sunlight, because all of them are from the natural conditions, from the right, but all of them are limited in nature. They are non-renewable resources, while the sunlight is the renewable source. Okay, that is why the answer is A, sunlight. Which of the following is not a renewable energy? नहीं है, ठीक है. Sunlight, wind, water, coal. Of course coal, because it is limited in nature. ठीक है. All right. Now petroleum and yes, petroleum means, here and is not there, it's wrong. Okay, petroleum means, first of all, petra. Petroleum is made from two words, petra and oleum. ठीक है, दो वर्ड से बने हैं, पेट्रा और ओलियम. अब पेट्रा मतलब होता है रॉक, और ओलियम मतलब होता है ऑयल. तो अब आप सीधे देख सकते हो कि दैट द ऑयल दैट इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द रॉक, इट इज कॉल्ड एज दी पेट्रोलियम। ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हो कि इसमें कौन सा दिख रहा है आप लोगों को कि ऑयल फ्रॉम रॉक, तो ये तो नहीं है ए ऑप्शन, बी ऑप्शन भी नहीं, सी ऑप्शन दिख रहा है हमें। ठीक है, तो आंसर इज सी ऑप्शन। C option is the correct answer. I hope you understood that why it is petroleum. It is made from two words, petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. So that is why the answer is oil from rock. ठीक है? Next, natural gas is mostly hydrogen, ammonia, methane or oxygen. Natural gas is actually mostly methane. Alright, it is not hydrogen. Of course, it is not ammonia as well. It is not oxygen. So it is only the methane. So it is a harmful gas. But when it is compressed, it becomes deadly. ठीक है, चलो. The fuel that produce most of the energy needs of the world is coal, petroleum, natural gas, or none of these above. So the provide actually petroleum, you all must be knowing the answer is petroleum. Why petroleum? Because petroleum gives us petrol also and natural gas also, and petroleum is also formed to make petrochemicals, right? Petrochemicals are made actually, the important constituents that are actually generated by when we do fraction distillation of the petroleum. ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली द पेट्रोलियम ही ऐसी फ्यूल है जो बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करती है वर्ल्ड की. ठीक है, Which of the following gives us pollution free environment on burning? Wood, kerosene, cow dung, cakes or biogas? Obviously आपको पता है biogas is made from a decomposition of the natural natural, you can say like cattle dung, right? Plants and animals, decomposition of plants and animals, biogas is formed. So it is actually environment friendly, we can use it. ठीक है. Next, which of the following is an exhaustible resource? Coal, petroleum, minerals or sunlight? Exhaustible resource is actually the exhaustible natural resource. Guys, this question has an error. First of all, it's not exhaustible, it's inexhaustible. It's inexhaustible. Okay, that is why I was just thinking that how could we answer, right? Yeah, it is inexhaustible. So the following, that is inexhaustible resource, coal, petroleum are actually, minerals are actually exhaustible resources. But here you can see sunlight, which is an non-renewable energy and it is inexhaustible. कितना भी यूज़ करो वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. So that is why it is now used for making conventional resources like solar energy, right? It is used. That is why, because it is inexhaustible. Next, which of the following is exhaustible natural resource? Wildlife, sunlight, air, water. Sunlight, air, water are exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources, because you can use it in unlimited manner. It will never be eradicated. Okay, while the wildlife is a natural resource. Okay, because they are being deforested. Deforestation is happening. Next, which of the following is not a yes, which of the following is not a fossil fuel है. ठीक है, it's not bull fuel, it's fossil fuel. Fossil fuel. ठीक है. Now coal, petroleum, natural gas तो actually आपको पता है fossil fuels है ना, बायोगैस ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो डिकम्पोजिशन से बनता है प्लांट्स एनिमल्स के रेसिड्यूज से. ठीक है. When coal is heated in here, that is gas produced is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Of course, carbon dioxide, because coal is actually pure form of, almost the pure form of carbon dioxide only. So that is why the answer is B option. Carbon. So guys, today only this much. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Alright. So thank you. Bye bye.